Okay, here is the 110 liter per minute Aquavita air pump from our store. And let's open her up and do some tests. So you'll see this is quite a bit bigger than the other ones. We'll have to screw in the brass barb here. And the handle on this one is nylon because it is stepping up in weight comparatively to the 75, 65, and 38 liter per minute pumps. This one also comes with the hose, the attachment hose, and the splitter adapter, which we won't be using again. So let's move on to getting the air line and the nozzle attached. Okay, so attaching the air line that goes to the actual air assist that you got and connecting it to the barb on the pump, there is a bit of a two-step. So here is the hose that comes with the pump, and we have a little barb that we've created to downstep it. So you just slide this in, that ought to do, and then the other side with the air line, just get that on here. There you go. And then this into the pump. And now you can run this whole tube along your wire loom, or depending on the laser that you have, just run it and zip tie it along something that's going to keep it out of the way, and then run it down your module and into the back of the air assist nozzles. So let's do the water test. Okay, here is the 2 millimeter water test. Okay, here is the 3 millimeter nozzle test. So here what we wanted to show was that you can actually split the airflow from the pump in two and still have really effective airflow out of both. So we're cutting on one side and showing you the water test on the other. A lot of people want to run dual nozzles on their one laser, or you could run 2 air assists on 2 different machines on one pump.